Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to install a fake drawer front. One of these drawer fronts is actually fake. And there are many times when you're building cabinets that you need to have a fake drawer front. Often there's obstructions that you can't put a drawer in, there's sinks and things like that. So if you want to know how to make one, stick around because we're about to get started. The first thing we're going to do is cut an MDF panel to fit over the opening. All right, so what I've done is I've traced the outline of where the hole is for the drawer. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some glue down and then I'm gonna spray it with this instant bond so it accelerates and cures in 10 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some glue and then we'll attach it to the back of the face frame. All right, our MDF is secure up there using some AC glue. Now we're going to use 3/4 inch brad nails and nail into the 1/4 inch MDF on the back to make sure everything holds in place. All right, so the way I'm going to attach my drawer front is I'm actually going to put some AC glue on here just like I did for my MDF panel. And then I'm going to come from the back and use my brad nailer and shoot 3/4 inch brad nails through the back, and that'll secure this in place. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for me. I'd really appreciate it. It helps others find this video too. Well guys, if you want to check out other things that I'm building, consider subscribing. All right guys, till next time, I'll see you later.